On Three Themes Live, we brewed up some sewing magic during our Stitched and Bewitched week. It's magical.
We conjured up some pretty charming home decor, apparel, and added some enchanted finishes to our witch's hat with some simple serger sorcery.
That's a good idea.
So catch up on this and so much more by watching Three Themes Live. If you aren't watching it live, then now is the time to discover what you're missing. Join us live every Monday through Wednesday at 1 p.m. Mountain and 3 p.m. Eastern by following the links below.
We invite you to be a part of a community that loves to create and find all the good that is out there.
It's incredible. All of you are so inspiring.
Remember that Three Themes Live is where we always have something to make you smile,
Something to learn.
and something to discover. Let's go!